Alrighty guys, I don't know how much noise you're picking up in the background. It's kind of windy. Here is the under seat mount. Switch pros attached. Turning on remotely. You can hear the noise. I hope it does it justice, but we'll see. Alright, now that that's on, we can switch over to the ARB app. Open up our ARB app. You will see it maintaining pressure, adapting to the pressures. Not extremely noisy. Short compressions. Now we will have the tires hooked up. Closed chucks so air does not fly out. Now you can hear it adjusting to the pressure that it was set at, about 40 pounds. Very short cycles. Okay, that's side one. Now I run two different tire pressures, front and rear, so now it's adjusting to make them both 40, what was set in the app. We'll run down. There you have it. So that's 40 front and rear on the driver's side. So we'll go around. And here we have the passenger side. So I haven't done the hose yet, so you guys get to see this. See if I can do it one-handed here. Hose tool, plug. Not gonna be able to do it one-handed. All right, see what we can do here. Now you're gonna lose air if you don't have them plugged in before you get everything hooked up. Now it's gonna feed air. And you want to make sure that you have the longer line, as you can see by the coils here. The longer line goes to the front, shorter line goes to the rear. Run our shorter line back to the rear. We'll run our longer line to the front. I need like a chest rig or a head mount or something so I can make this a little bit easier for you guys to see instead of bouncing around making weird old videos here. So you can see right here we're at 40 pounds front and rear. Now target pressure we can change. 30. Now you'll hear it. It's going to let air out until it reaches 30 pounds. Now I don't have my volume up, but it does give audible alerts if you have it set up. Mine will vibrate in my hand or my pocket to let me know. Now keep in mind the hose length, the little valve. It does take a little bit, but you have all four hooked up at the same time. Airing up will be vice versa. We'll let this get down to 30 and then we'll go right back up just to get a good clip of noise. And I have a temperature gun, see how long it takes and see how hot it gets.